Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today I want to discuss about a project which is of deep learning object detection. So let's just run our app and see what it looks like. So we go to Flask server, let's follow the link, and it's asking for a image, right? And as the project description says, upload an image and this website will try to predict what object the image contains, right? With the help of obviously deep learning YOLO algorithm and framework and OpenCV, right? And let's just uh, give it some input of this image and see what it can give us. Okay, so it's showing us the output, and thanks for using our app. Let's just zoom in a bit and see what we got in our result, right? And you can see we have a person, annotation, and dog. So it has like successfully detected objects and make the bounding boxes, but the dog, you can see it's not clear, it is not readable. So what we can do is just reload it and it will give you some random color again, right? Let's see. Yeah, so you can see now we are clearly see it's a dog, right? And why we are like getting every time a new color, I will just discuss it in a bit when we will see the code, right? For now, let's just see what we can give next. So here is the image of a road, of a Pakistani road, and let's submit this as an input to our algorithm, right? And let's see the image. So you can see it's a road, a Pakistani kind of road, and you can see we are getting some cars. As you can see, we are getting some cars. These are all cars, and the rickshaws are like uh, labeled as truck, because definitely this algorithm wasn't trained on the Pakistani traffic, right? So it doesn't know about these rickshaws, right? And a motorcycle has also been recognized on a person. And yes, you can always like train the YOLO algorithm on your custom data set, right? So if you have a data set and you want to like train it, the object detection algorithm on that, you can always contact me through this WhatsApp, or maybe mail me at this Gmail, and we can arrange a Zoom session for that, right? Okay, so okay, we are getting the results, but let's just for the sake of understanding, let's just download some random image of a restaurant or maybe some other image, right? But let's go for restaurant for now. And yeah, let's save this image, okay, as maybe INP, right, on our desktop, and let's give this image into the model. Yeah, okay, we got some labels and let's see what it is. So yeah, it is like saying it's a wine glass, wine glasses. Then what it's saying is a potted plant. Yes, it's a plant in a pot, and a chair, two chairs, right? And things like that. A cup, which is looks like a glass, right? But yeah, you can see it's working, right? It's working. And let's just discuss some things about the code. Let me just kill the terminal, and yeah, So what we are doing is like importing NumPy, importing OpenCV, and from within CV we will use the YOLO algorithm, right? Because it's like convenient to do on the local server, right? And then you can see we have YOLO weights which we have downloaded from this link, right? I will give this link in the description, or maybe you can mail me or contact me through the numbers given below in the description, and I will just share the full source code with you, right? Or maybe we can arrange a Zoom explainer session. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, so we have like configuration file for YOLO and the weights, because we are using pre-trained weights as a transfer learning technique, right? So we'll be importing these weights and configurations for YOLO algorithm, which was trained on Coco dataset, and we have like Coco.names, all the classes of Coco, which can be person, bicycle, motorcycle, and a car, and things like that, right? And then we are just rendering templates, and in the uploader we are just saving our image, whatever the user will give the image, and then we are just detecting its class, and then we are just creating some boxes, and for the random thing we just set to create a seed of numpy random, right? And this is like random number, and whatever, like when we reload our page, so a random coloring system will be like allotted to our boxes, right? So we have like colors is equal to np.random, right? And for each class color will be different. So for all the classes which is like car, so all the cars will be of one color box, and then motorcycle will be of another color box, right? And then we are saving this the image as jpg file, and then we are showing this on our template output image, right? So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the concept, and you can always contact me for the source code on the WhatsApp, or maybe mail me at the Gmail, and I will respond you as soon as possible.